Here I have CAT S41 and let me show you how to enter the factory mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, power key and volume down. Keep holding both keys. Release all keys as soon as CAT logo pops up in front of you and wait for the factory mode. As you can see, this is the factory mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds. The device is trying to get ready for the modem. And that's it. This is the factory mode. Here you can navigate by using volume down and confirm options by pressing volume up. For example, you can choose version and check out the version of the phone. Let's press volume up to go back. And here you can also choose the test. You can choose the clear test report, engineer test, or you can suspend. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose the second option, which is the shutdown, and press volume up to confirm it. Right now the device is quitting the factory mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Now let's press power key to turn on the device. And the CAT S41 is switching on. That's it, now you can unlock your device and start using your phone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.